Hello and welcome to another Excel video with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we'd like to take a look at using the OR function to help us evaluate more than one logical test within the context of an if statement. So to paint the scenario here, I've got a list of staff members, the number of years that they worked for the firm, and their job title. And let's say that the staff members who have been with the firm for at least 10 years are invited to the retreat. So we'd like to see a yes value for them in column D. But let's also say that anyone who's a vice president is also invited to the company retreat, no matter how many years they've been with the firm. So either condition, 10 years in with the firm or having the job title of vice president, gets you invited to the retreat. So if you want to pause the video and set up some sample data for yourself, we'll pick it up and then create our formulas in column D. Okay, so I'll start with equals if, open paren, and I again have more than one logical test. And so the if function by itself is looking for one logical test or comparison of values. But by putting the OR function inside the if statement and then open paren, so I can put up to 30 logical tests inside my OR statement. Just like with AND, I can do up to 30. But the difference between AND and OR is that with OR, only one of the conditions or logical tests needs to be true in order for the OR statement to return a value of true. Whereas with AND, they must all be true. So my two logical tests in this scenario are B2 must be greater than or equal to 10. So we're trying to determine if the person has 10 years or more experience at the firm. And then comma, my second logical test is whether or not cell C2 equals VP. And since VP is a text value, I must put it inside quotes in my formula. That's it. I'll put a closing parenthesis on the OR function. And now we need to finish out the if function. So if the number of years with firm is greater than or equal to 10, or the job title equals VP, then we're going to say yes, they are coming to the retreat, otherwise no. And those two text values go inside quotation marks, and then closing paren for my if function. And there you have it. Chandler is not on the retreat. He doesn't have 10 years of experience with the firm, and he does not have a job title of VP. And so I'll go ahead and fill that down, and basically everyone except for Chandler and Ross makes the cut, either because of their years with the firm or their job title. So that's it. That's how you use the OR function to evaluate multiple conditions. Either of the conditions being true, you want to yield a true result for your if function. That's it. Please tune in again soon for more Excel videos. Thanks a lot. Have a productive day.